Hi there, today I'll walk you through how to create a professional passport photo in just a few steps using Supawork's free passport photo generator. Even if you're new to online photo tools, it's simple, fast, and completely free. Let's get started. Open your web browser and head over to Supawork's passport photo maker. Step 2. Select your country and upload your photo. Select the country that matches the passport size you need from the drop-down menu. Then, click on Upload to choose a photo from your device for best results. Pick a photo with a plain background and direct eye contact with the camera. Step 3. Let the AI process your photo. Once your photo is uploaded, just sit back and let Supawork's AI do the work. The AI will automatically crop and align your photo to meet the official passport requirements, so no manual adjustments are needed. Now, you have the option to select a background color. If you want a standard white background, choose that. Here is an extra tip if you're not completely happy with the original photo. You can try out this AI headshot generator to create a new one. Step 5. Download your photo. Once you're satisfied with everything, simply click download to save your photo. You can also download a large print version if you're planning to print it at home or at a local shop. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've created a passport-ready photo. It's free, fast. Subscribe to us and we will continue to launch more AI tools and see you in the next video.